Hello everyone, welcome to Zoomies. Today I thought we'd discuss quite a common topic. Why are my dogs or cats' ears itching? This is a question that pops up quite frequently, and I'm hoping by the end of this video you will know everything you need to know about itchy ears, simple and concise. Firstly, let's talk about the anatomy of cat and dog ears. They have vertical ear canals, unlike humans, which kind of predisposes them to having debris buildup, water retention, and kind of make them prone to infections, plus fuzzy ears. One of the common culprit for itchy ears is, of course, ear mites. But in my experience, these are pretty easy to identify, pretty easy to treat, and not actually that common. Another potential cause for ear issues, itchy ears, are foreign objects. In my experience, grass seeds, I know this is especially true in the UK, but can be kind of true for dogs that like to frolic through the hills or run through grass. They get little pieces of grass seeds or awns stuck in their ear. These typically present with kind of an acute onset and don't really have a history of itchy ears. Most likely vets will scope the ears, identify the foreign material or object and remove it. Problem solved. One of the most common causes of itchy ears are infections, both yeasts and bacteria. Typically, these are presented with pus coming from the ear, identifiable debris, and sometimes even a foul odor or smell can be identified. In my experience, these tend to be dogs with floppy ears, very hairy ears, very long ears, and especially dogs that love to swim. Sometimes it might even be dogs with underlying issues, which we'll get to, but typically yeast and bacteria occur together. So, the big one, allergies. In my experience, the most common cause for itchy ears are allergies. Just like in humans, dogs can also have allergic reactions to a variety of factors, such as contact allergies, allergies to grass, environmental allergies, and sometimes food allergies. Food allergies are very rare and highly unlikely, probably like 5% of the population. So most vets will tend to focus on environmental allergies. These environmental allergies tend to be kind of seasonal, especially during summer, at least here in sunny South Africa, and allergies are probably the most common cause for itchy ears. Vets will typically follow a kind of systematic approach when approaching ear issues, and what I mean by that is they'd probably exclude parasites first, so they'd probably scope the ear and exclude mites. They might even take an ear smear to identify bacteria and yeasts. And once those have been excluded, they might then offer to do a food trial, but this doesn't happen a lot in animals. And eventually, they will address underlying allergies. Some vets may actually, if they deem it necessary, decide to culture ear smears if they think the infection is severe enough. Most of the time, these are called rods, and these infections generally require really intensive treatment. From an owner's perspective, proper ear hygiene is probably the best thing you can do to prevent ear infections. However, if your dog does have allergies or your cat, this can make it quite difficult. Trying to identify these various factors and deciding which one is the underlying cause can be quite difficult. That's why your vet will follow a systematic approach. And it is crucial to follow this systematic approach as to not skip any steps. In the end, most vets will prescribe a vet-approved ear solution for ear hygiene, which should be used on a regular basis to avoid infections such as bacteria and yeast. If you want to know everything there is to know about itchy ears, I'll link a video down in the description. It's what I would regard as a full consultation and explain everything in detail as I would to a client in a consultation, and by the end of that video you will have an in-depth understanding about the various causes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, maybe comment down below what issues your dog has. Perhaps I can help out. Until next time, see you again.